Thanks for joining even Sunday. We don't have time to take the classes Saturday. Fully occupied, right? Anyway, let me share my screen. So let me put a heading first. Yeah. Good morning. Mm. So we can start in 5 minutes. Tell me meanwhile. Yeah. So today's Sunday, right? That's what I'm supposed to ask Raj. How is your weekend going so far? Yeah, I'm okay. Hi, Ajay Patel. How are you? Yeah, nice. Happy to see you after long back. Hi, Shubham. Guys, just if you are from different batches, please along with your name, update the batch time also so that I can understand. So next time onwards, guys, I'll take sessions, workshops on Sunday only. Okay. Yeah, hi, Ranjit. I'm from Core Java batch. Yeah, nice. Yeah, hi, Mahesh. 10:30 batch, huh? Nice. Why this link is not working? Guys, can anyone please share which link you have joined? Many of them saying that not working link. Okay, let me. Oh, thank you. Let me share to all. If any issues there with the link. Okay, okay. So this session is very important, guys. I can say, yeah, I can say I haven't seen anywhere this session took by someone. So yeah, so this is very important session. I think if you can give an interview, they may ask this kind of questions. Cloud front, okay, CDN, cloud content delivery network, So these are very important first, even if you're a developer or DevOps or cloud engineer. Okay. Just a minute, guys. Okay. So guys, let's get started now. So what is CloudFront? Anyone? So before that, I need to discuss two important topics. Let me give a definition of CloudFront. So anyone knows? Okay, let me write here. So CloudFront, I'm writing just CF. Yeah, very good. Content Delivery Network. So I can say CDN. Okay, service. So what it will speed up the process. It will speed up the process. Which process? Your web application delivery process. Okay, service that speeds up. So I'll give a brief explanation on this web content. Okay, let's understand now. So simply I can say, no, please don't raise any hands here. If you're having any question, I'll give time so that you can ask. Okay. Very good. Netflix. Okay. So first understand, guys, content delivery network service that speeds up the delivery of the web content. So for example, let's take a yeah. So this is my server. Okay. Let's understand. My server is running Mumbai region. My server is running Mumbai region. So in this case, your application also. So your application also, if hosted into Mumbai region. So whoever access from Mumbai and different origins, for example, this person is from Mumbai. So if he's trying to access this website through load balancer or IP or static website hosting, so they're able to access application. Okay. And now he is from, okay, let me take directly from here only. Okay. Let's take no. Yeah. S3 bucket. EC2 instance. Copy image here. Okay. So let's understand. Here my application is here. Okay. Or here. So now if user access from here, okay, see now here, if user is access from, you know, Mumbai, let's understand Mumbai. Now application also hosted into Mumbai region. Okay, and one more user trying to access from US. Okay, so focus here. User is from Mumbai trying to access the application to Mumbai only. Next, other user is accessing application from US to Mumbai. Same process if the application is running EC2 or S3. So we'll discuss which type of application we can use S3, which type of application we can use EC2. Please, I'm not checking any messages. I'll explain later. Focus first. I'll give everything. Don't worry. Yeah. Guys, tell me the one definition. What is latency? What is latency? Anyone? Very good. Request and response time. Okay. A time period between request and response. Okay. Very good. Now tell me, guys, in these two cases, and which case more latency from US or Mumbai? And in which case latency it will take more, means more time. Definitely here, more latency from US. Perfect. So I'm just saying that. So latency is more here. So here, less latency. As per the definition, clear, right? Yes, correct. So as per the definition, till here everyone is clear, I hope. Okay. In this, every cloud, I'm not only talking about AWS, Azure, GCP, these three clouds offers edge locations. Edge locations. What is edge location? Let me discuss. Edge locations. This is very important concept, guys. Tell me, guys, what is edge location? Anyone? Nearest hosted zone. Okay. 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 So edge locations also AWS data centers only. Okay. But these are located various cities, but located into various cities. Okay. Various cities to achieve, to speed up the process. To speed up the process of content delivery. Speed up the process of content delivery. Okay. Yeah. In this case, AWS offers 400 plus edge locations, guys. 400 plus edge locations. For example, we already discussed regions, availability zones and all, right? So regions, for example, 35 plus regions, agents, availability zones. So more than 180 plus. In that means, what we can understand here, if the regions are 35 plus, so from India, we have a 2 regions out of this 35. From India, we have a 2 regions. One is Mumbai and Hyderabad. But you may get a doubt. In this case, if request is coming from Chennai, request is coming from Bangalore, we have edge locations near cities. Understand what I'm trying to say? Okay. So let's take this now from here. I'm taking first example. Copy. Let's go here, the new slide. Okay. Okay, no problem. I'll draw one more time here. So let's take a user now. Okay. And now let's take a S3 bucket or EC2 instance. I will tell you on which cases we can use S3 bucket, which cases we can use EC2 instance. You will get a very good clarity in 5 to 10 minutes. Please be patient. Okay. Let me give very close to user. So for example now, your application is running, front-end application is running, HTML, Java, CSS. Okay, let me take a okay. Okay, so this content, this application is running inside S3, Java CSS. Now, so as I said here, Mumbai. So user also accessing from Mumbai. In this case, user point of view, application origin is Mumbai. Here, application main origin is what? Mumbai. So whoever try to access from the Mumbai, they will get a quick response as they are from same region. Okay. Now, let's take an example now. If user is from Chennai, so little far from here. Okay, this is very close. This is little far. Okay. Now, and user is from US. Okay, and user is from Australia. User is from Dubai, Miraj. Okay, so now let's explain here. To access this, my Mumbai user trying to access the application. So definitely here it will take 1 second time. I'm just taking like this example only, guys. Latency or 1 second content delivery. So I'm able to access in 1 second. Okay. What about here? More than 1 second or less than 1 second? More than 1 second, right or not? Why? He's not from Mumbai. He's from Chennai. Okay. Now, so who is from here? Delhi. Let's take Delhi. Now he is from so US. And he is from UK. Okay. So definitely application is running Mumbai, but here the time, if you can see the time, it will take more compared to Mumbai. Okay. The reason, the reason origin is far from your user location. 5 seconds, 6 seconds. Okay, here let's take a 3 seconds. I'm taking like this. So here the time interval increase along with the distance, right or not? So in this case, to overcome above latency issues, we can use edge locations. I mean, AWS provides edge location concept to speed up process. Content delivery. Okay, speed up process the content delivery. So those edge locations. Wait. Please focus first. I'll discuss everything. Okay, let's take a now edge locations. So let's take. Yeah. I'm taking here one edge location. Here one edge location. One edge location. One edge locations. So AWS distributed edge locations across all cities. For example, he's trying to access from Delhi, right? So the request, first time it will go to origin. If anyone trying to access the same application from the Delhi, first time request will go to main origin. And while returning time, this content will be stored nearby Delhi edge location. If second person is trying to access same content, the request no need to go main origin, it will collect from edge location. Okay, so let me write here edge location. Yeah, cache. Edge locations are caches. In your laptop also temporary folder is there, right? Cache. Same. Yeah. So now this is Dell edge location. So this is US edge location. This is UK edge location. This is Chennai edge location. Okay. Now, first time. Okay. Let me explain here. First time request will go to main origin. Okay. But request return time. Okay. Request return time. It will stores into edge location and give the response to user. So second time, if you access second time, first it will check edge location, content is there or not. If not there, it will go. Again, it will serve here and it will give here. Second time. Okay, this is second time. If response is if content is not available, so if content is not available, redirect into again main origin. Okay. If content is available, edge location, it will serves the request directly to user. Clear the concept now? What I'm trying to say? Okay. Tell me, clear till here what I'm trying to say? Any questions from here? Wait, I will discuss how long it will store, how the request will go, everything I will explain. So first, what is content delivery network is clear or not? My question is very clear. I'm not talking about how the request will go, where the request, how much time it will store. This is not my question. Whatever I explained, so far clear or not? Hmm. So if anyone asks what is content delivery network, what you can say, content delivery network is a cache. So recent information will be stored into the nearby edge locations. So if anyone trying to access the application, the request no need to go for main origin, request will take from nearby edge locations. Best example, best example, IPL. Okay, IPL application may be host into UK or US, any region, but we are able to access quickly. The reason, the request already stored nearby edge location from your city. If you are accessing from Hyderabad, so the application already stored nearby edge location. So your request no need to go directly US. It will go to nearby edge location. It will collect. Clear now? Yeah. So the concept is very clear. The main focus of this concept is overcome the latency. This is single answer. Single answer is what is CloudFront? Overcome the latency. The request will be stored nearby location. We can take from the nearby location. Okay, I hope you guys are clear now. So AWS offers 400 plus edge locations. Okay, nearby cities. Yes, Chennai also there, Delhi also there. If you want to check, you can go and check AWS edge locations in India. See, okay, perfect, perfect. So, okay, it's a very interesting lab today. As I said, no one covered this topic so far. You can check in YouTube's also in detail. Good question, Pratik. Good question. Okay. So guys, now I'm going to focus these two areas for time being. Later again, I'll go for the next content. So application, what is static content, dynamic content? So let me take a full stack. Actually, I have explained multiple times. I have more projects we are working already, full stack projects, right? So Node.js, Python, Spring Boot. So these full stack projects, let me draw the single line diagram here. For example, I'm taking three-tier architecture now. Yeah, fixed. I'm taking three-tier architecture now. So this is backend layer. I'm taking backend layer first. Please focus, guys. I'm not checking chart. Again, I will give time to you to ask the questions like before. Focus. Interesting concept. The two most important concept for interview also. Okay. Next, I'm taking RDS, our database. Yeah. So this is my database, DB layer. Okay. So database layer. So now, in this case, what is the static content and dynamic content? Okay. Tell me guys, what is static content, dynamic content? Anyone? Perfect. Let me explain here. So can I say static content not change frequently? Yes. Static content includes files so that do not change frequently. Okay. What about dynamic? Okay, let me give examples here. HTML, CSS, JavaScript files, right? So this is static files. It won't change with respect to time. I mean, frequent. What about dynamic? Dynamic content. So the change based on user input. So it will change based on user input, right? So data processing, it will change with respect to user input. So you may ask something different, I can ask something different. So it's a dynamic data processing example. Insert, update, example. Data insert. Already in the last class, I have explained backend how connect to database. At that time, API methods I have explained, right? Data insertion, updation, deletion. So anyway, so we have a, okay, we have a different process here. So dynamic content with respect to, it will change with respect to user input. In this case, guys, in this case, my backend layer is ready. My database layer also ready. Okay. So coming to the front end, So front end, I have written the programming language is Java, I mean HTML or CSS. Okay, HTML, CSS. In this case, you tell me this is comes under static or dynamic. Perfect, perfect, guys, perfect. This is static content. Okay, so static content. So this is server. We are very clear. We are using backend for EC2 instance. Now backend, if I use Python, Java, this is static or dynamic? Dynamic. to process the data. Okay, it's a dynamic. So you can may update, you can may delete, insert the data based on the user input. Perfect. So dynamic, yes, we have to use EC2 instance only. Dynamic process not supports any static hosting, service. So in this case, static content, I can use S3 bucket. Already we discussed, right? Static website hosting concept. Static website hosting concept. Okay. So in this case, so you can use S3 here. No need to use any server here. You can use S3. Okay. So S3, you can upload the files, static website files. Okay. You can use static website hosting. So front end layer. This is front end layer. Okay. And one more example, you can take server also. You can take in static content server also. You no need to take only S3. We have two options. You can take server also. What is S3 bucket? Huh? Very nice. Okay. I think you are from Python or Java development, maybe. You don't know. S3 bucket is AWS service where we can store the data. Okay. So it's a storage service. Same static content. Same static content. You can upload inside EC2 also. Okay. So two options here. I mean, let's take now users. Focus case. Very interesting now. Users. Here also users. I mean, two use cases I'm explaining here. So this is use case 1. Use case 1, use case 2. Perfect. So you can use front end as S3 or front end here. You can use a load balancer if multiple servers are there. You can access. So now, my dear students, whoever already I is not taking load balancer here. Tell me guys, this use case 1, benefits now. Use case 1 benefits. Tell me. Tell me. Guess you tell me your S3 bucket. S3 bucket, if you stores the data will be stored in how many availability zones? Tell me now. If you store the data in S3, how many availability zones data will be stored? All agents, right? Very good. Data will be stored if I upload data into S3. By default, S3 uploads data into all regions, sorry, all agents. For example, now I want to give high availability across region. In that case, in this case, in S3, if you want to provide high availability across region, very good. Which topic we can use? S3 replication. Perfect, guys. Perfect. So if I stores my data into S3, so it is high availability across aged across region. Clear or not? Till here, clear or not? So from this, can I write storage scaling not required? I mean, auto scaling not required, load balancer not required, network not required. So can I say cost effective, cost? Okay, you can write multiple points. We will get high availability, something. Yeah, correct. Cost benefits. So clear now till here? If I use S3, the benefits what I'll get instead of that EC2. So these are the challenges for EC2. If I use, so we have an option. Okay, your content is static Java CSS. In this case, we have a two options, either EC2, either S3. So we are getting a less price, cost benefits, and not required network, not required not required load balance, or not required auto scaling. This is completely serverless. Okay, managed by AWS. So always high available. Clear now? Use case one. But use case one drawback is what? Drawback is what? Not supports dynamic content. Static S3 static website hosting. Not support. Okay. So clear till here. Any questions from anyone? Only whatever I discuss. If no questions, at least can you please CC so that I can understand. Okay, thanks for your response, guys. 100% entry question. 100% entry question from this topic, no doubt. If you go any company. Okay, whoever, I think I can see a few messages. They're asking what is S3 and all. I can understand. So this workshop is for mostly whoever already know knowledge on AWS actually. But you can focus very high level. Okay, how the system will work at least. Okay, so now let's take this area again. Okay, now we are entering into the main concept. Now we are entering into main concept. Guys, here, user directly accessing S3 or not? User directly accessing S3 static website, right? Now, the same concept. If S3 hosts Mumbai, S3 hosts Mumbai. Now request is coming from, excuse me, if request is coming from different areas, different countries, US, UK, okay, and Delhi, Chennai. So users are accessing from, okay, users are accessing from this site from different regions. Now tell me, this architecture will give good latency if users are accessing from different places? If users are, excuse me, accessing from, okay, you tell me, is this good architecture? If users are accessing from different regions? No. Not effective, right? So here, more latency if users are accessing from different regions. Okay. In this case, what we can do? Okay. So we can modify this. Modified architecture. Let's take now. Okay. It's a big story is there. It will take 1 hour time. Please be patient, sir. But very interesting concept. I will show practically now. Okay. Tell me guys, in between, in, in between, which concept I should use to get a more, less latency? CloudFront service. Clear now? CloudFront service I should use now. Let's take a CloudFront logo now. So this CloudFront service, yeah. So this CloudFront service offers edge locations. Edge locations. Edge locations. Practically, we will discuss now so you can understand. Edge locations. AWS having 400 plus edge locations. 400 plus edge locations. The content stores into all edge locations. It's the customizing options. You can select which edge location content also store. Okay, it's a customizing. Okay, so now if you can see different edge locations. So if user access CloudFront, if user access CloudFront, the request will go to where? Nearby user edge locations. Nearby user edge locations. Let's give here. This is UK edge location. This is Delhi edge location. So this is Chennai edge location. I'm just giving like this. This is US edge location. This is Australia edge location. So this is Canada. This is okay. This is main origin also edge location is there. Mumbai also. Okay. Now, as per the user, the request will come from any edge location. Okay. First time the request will go to main origin. From here to here, the data will be distributed. Like this. Clear the concept now? Where we can use the CloudFront? Perfect. So in between, you can use Route 53 also. I mean, if you are not yeah, if you are not willing to access directly CloudFront, not willing to give CloudFront DNS name to customer, what we can do here? You can use a Route 53 for good name. Instead of giving directly CloudFront access, you can use AWS CloudFront. Instead of using directly, you can use Route 53. So Route 53, you need to be given record, edge CloudFront record. So Route 53, I mean domain name, for example, if I give narni.co.in, so CloudFront record. If you create this record, instead of accessing directly CloudFront, we can use narni.co.in. Till here clear so far. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Let's jump onto the main concept now. So to do this project now, to do this lab, I need a one S3 bucket. Okay. Inside one data, sample data. I need a CloudFront. I need a users. You are the users. So Route 53 we can discuss later, not directly I'm accessing CloudFront. If required, you can configure the Route 53. Just like alias record, how you are created, load balancer, same process. Okay. This will, you can ignore. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to the lab now. So I'm not going to, yeah. So go to the buckets. So my end already one bucket I have created. Okay. I think everyone knows how to create a bucket, right? I have uploaded sample file. You can see, open now. This is the output. Okay. I mean the code, this is my code, whatever I have uploaded. This is my code I have uploaded, HTML. Okay. So this is a header. This is header content. This is paragraph content page. Okay, two headers total. One is here. One is here. Okay, clear till here. Okay, I have uploaded. So this content here, if required, you can upload also, no problem. But the thing is, bucket should be public. Object also should be public. Without public also, we can do this process. I will tell you that process also, what to do. Okay. So my bucket is publicly accessible, and object also you can see. Make public using ACL. So this is already okay. Let me give make public use. Object also public now. Okay. And bucket also public. So you know how to create a static website. Just only go here. So enable static website hosting and give your file name index.html and save changes. Static website hosting already we discussed multiple times. So this is my static website hosting. If I click now, I'm able to access my application. Clear here? Okay, I have a so my inside my bucket one file is there. I have enabled static website hosting, so I'm able to access my data. Clear or not? Hey, static website hosting everyone knows, right? Why again? Okay, let me delete and show you then. Disable, save changes. After upload object, go to static website hosting, enable. Your file name is what? Index.html, right? File name is index.html. Save changes. You can hit. This is the content. Okay. So the thing is now, my bucket is ready now. Okay, my bucket is ready. If I access, no dependency, just create a bucket, upload a file, index.html file, upload, simple. This index.html file, open. That's it only. You can take any object, guys. Any object you can take. I'm taking this one. You can take any object. Okay, so I'll do one thing. I'll create a repository one here. CloudFront. So let me create a file, index.html. Commit changes. Okay, I'll share this to you. You can save somewhere. Okay, and I'll share this into our Telegram group, workshops Telegram group. You can access from there also. Okay. So till here clear na guys? Till target concept is clear. Okay, let's go to the properties. Hit right click, inspect. You can see here anyway. Network. See, if I refresh, time is taking nearly 300 milliseconds to reach my request. Clear or not? 300 milliseconds taking time here to reach my request. Let's go here. If I access from Mumbai here to here, taking 300 milliseconds. If the request is coming from origin, if the request is coming from origin, 300 milliseconds it is taking. But the same request, if it will come from CloudFront, we can see. Okay, let's configure CloudFront now. Okay, so let's go to CloudFront. Search. So this is CloudFront service. Okay, distribution. Create a CloudFront distribution. So my origin is what, guys? S3, right? My origin is, if your application is EC2 also, you can give EC2. Load balance also, we can load balancer. So my origin is, so this is my bucket, dev prod test Vera. After click on this bucket, you can click use website endpoint. Okay, don't forget to click that, use website endpoint. Again, I'm going to show you. Click on this, use website endpoint. So it will take S3 static website endpoint. Okay, so which port number index.html, 80 port number keep as is. And now Okay, you no need to do any changes here. Directly you can go the last and create. I'll explain these concepts are what now. Yeah. So now default cache behavior, keep as is, don't do anything. Which protocols it should work? HTTP, HTTPS. Which method it will work? Get and head. Two methods. If you need to work more method, you can select this one. Okay. Get method only, get access only, right? Restrict viewer access, we will see later. This is important now. Cache policies. So the question is now, let's take a single line architecture now again. Now we are entering into the main concept. Sorry. Control C. Let's go to new paint. Yeah. So I'm taking a one edge location now. Okay. I'm taking one sample edge location. Let's take a users now. Okay. So I'm taking one edge location now. Yeah. Copy image. Yeah. Let's focus now. Okay. So edge location means cache. Stores recent information. Okay. So now user is accessing from US, for example. So first time request will go to where, guys? Main origin only. First time. And request will throughout nearby edge location, right or not? Request will throw out nearby edge location. While returning the request, return time request will throw out nearby edge location. This is which location now? This is US. US edge location. Now the important points I'm going to explain now. Focus. Next time, if he's trying to access, request will go to where directly? Second time request will go to edge location. Even first time also it will go edge location, but no content is there, it will throw out a main origin again. So second time, the request back to from the edge location. Clear the process now till here. Now I'm going to explain a very important is cache policy. Not same user. Content is same, not same user. Okay. Anyone access the same IP, same content, the request will throw it. It's not user concept here. Anyone can access. If you are accessing IPL, they are not validate your user, right? So if you are accessing Geo Play Store something, the request directly go to nearby location first. If it is not there, it will go to the main origin. Okay. Yeah. Now my application is IRCTC sample. Okay. IRCTC application. This is. Okay. Now in this case, guys, cache policy, a very important cache. Let me explain here the what is cache policy. So caching optimizer is there, right? View policy. If you click on the view policy, you can see here the default caching policies. Guys, by seeing this, what you can understand, we have a total 3 set points: minimum, maximum, default. Okay, minimum, maximum, default. So here, this is very important, which means if I calculate into days, this is 1 year. So this is 1 day, 1 day. Yeah. So guys, see here. The highest time stores, TTL means time to live. Time to live. So highest time, I mean, if you store any information in the edge location, highest time is what? The longest period is 1 year. I mean, in your cache information, if you access IRCTC application, IRCTC stores into 1 year here. The max time, not leave. Okay. Not okay. 1 year it will store. This cache policy, 1 year it will store. Clear? The minimum is what? 1 second. Maximum 1 year. Default always 1 day. Clear now? Default means if you not set anything, 1 day it will be there. After that, automatically it will be clear the cache. Okay. So max time is what? 1 year. Minimum is 1 second. Default is 1 day. So you can access your data from the cache. After 1 year, data will be refreshed automatically. After 1 year, data will be refreshed automatically. Okay. Yeah. Now interesting concept. Let's take now. Now I'm going to add developers now. Slowly. Yeah, I'm coming to that Sai. That's what I'm saying. I'm going to add developers now. Okay, let's add developers now. So my developers now updated a content. Content updated by developers now. Guys, you tell me, my users, so for example, today content is updated. My users will take new data or still old data? Tell me now. As per the cache policy, old data or new data? Still old data. Depends on the time period. For example, if I give 1 day time, my cache policy is 1 day. Okay, minimum 1 day, max 1 day, default also 1 day. If I give till complete 1 day, my users can access old data. Okay, after that automatically data will update. Clear or not with this statement? Till 1 day they will access old data. Okay, and after 1 day automatically update new data. I hope you clear. Yeah. So now we have a one concept in CloudFront, guys. Invalidations. Invalidations concept is if you create invalidation, the means invalidation means clear cache immediately. Understand? If we want to update data immediately into cache, means edge location. We can create what? Invalidation. We should create invalidations. Clear the concept? What is invalidation? Invalidation is, you can go here, clear cache objects manual using invalidation process. Not only console, I will use lambda function now. Clear till here what is invalidation? For example, if you not create invalidation, users can access still old data. But if you want to update quickly the data into the cache, we should use invalidation concept in CloudFront. So that means, okay, I will show after create this. Okay, clear what I'm trying to say? What is invalidation now? When we can use invalidation, if you want to update the cache data immediately when the developers is pushed the new data, automatically cache should be clear. Otherwise, users can use old data still. Okay, clear or not? Okay, okay. Let's go to now. Yeah, see, cache policy will simply bypass by using invalidation. Whatever invalidation if you run means automatically cache policy will be clear immediately. Whatever set point you have given, that will be ignorable. Clear? Okay. Let's go to now. In this case, I'm creating a new cache policy. Okay. Creating prod. So here I'm giving 86400 minimum also and maximum also, which means what? One day I'm giving. My cache set point I'm giving one day. Focus here only, don't think anything. Okay. Yeah. So now go to cache policy, refresh here. Should I give my cache policy now? Prod. This cache policy, the highest time period is what? One day. Okay. Let's go to now. You know it. Yeah. This is what now? Use all edge locations. Means what? All edge locations I'm using. You will get data nearby edge location wherever you go. So I'm selecting all edge locations means complete 400 edge locations will be data will be place. Pricing also same apply accordingly. Okay. Now you can create a distribution. One more time I'm going to show you. Just give here your static website by clicking like this. After that, so go to directly cache policy and give here your creating policy whatever you have created. And simply go here, create a distribution. Okay, do not enable security protection now at this time. Create a distribution. It will take time. Meanwhile, if you are having any questions, you can ask. Yeah, same process, easy to also. Load balancer we can select instead of S3. Yeah, before now, traffic is first go to, in real time we are using one day cache policy. It depends on firewall I will show now. Firewall also I will show. WAF we can use. Yeah, WAF. So it will take time. Deploying stage now. This is for only front end, guys. If the request will go to front end, that will be go to back end. Customer is not accessed directly back end, right? Hey, Route 53 is not provide any cloud edge locations policy, right? Route 53 just name only. Instead of accessing this name, you can give this name with Route 53. Route 53 just record only. It won't give any edge locations concept. And then why you are using? Why you are asking which one you can use in real time? Both can use. Just wait. Meanwhile, you can ask questions. Okay. It will take time. No questions meanwhile. CNAME, yeah. If you got a call, internet got disconnected, can you please explain one more time? Okay. So, okay, no problem. I'll show one more time. Just select your region here. After that, so keep as is all the set points. Here you can create a one policy. Or you can caching optimizer if you use, na, by default it will take 1 year. So as I said here. So you can create your policy. Create a cache policy. You can give the time period something here you can give. 1 day, 1 day, 1 day like this you can give. That's it only. After that you can create directly. Yeah, enable now. So now let's access now by using this domain name. I'm not accessing through CloudFront now, directly accessing from uh, CloudFront. Okay, I'm not accessing through static website now. I'm accessing through CloudFront. I'm getting response, right? I have enabled HTTPS also. I'm getting response, right? Go to inspect now. Refresh network. So network, refresh. See time now. First time 449. Second time onwards request coming from where? 25 milliseconds, 23 milliseconds, 20 milliseconds. Clear or not? No, request is not going, request is not coming from S3. Request is coming from cache S3, 22 milliseconds. Before is what? before before time is what? 300. Now 20. See the difference. Request still coming from cache only. Now the see the difference now. Okay, if I use, so first time, okay, I'll write here. First time request coming, taking 300 milliseconds. So from the edge location taking 25. Clear now the difference? Okay, now see here. Now question to all. So my and S3 bucket is there, right? This is my bucket. Now I'm deleting object, source object. Source deleted. It should come, right? Why it is coming like this? Let's wait. Same bucket I'm using. Okay, let's go to the cache policy quickly. Behavior. Let's go to the check the policy now. Okay, all good only. Then why it is taking? Okay, let's wait. Access denied. Okay, okay. I'll do one thing. Add a file. I'm uploading again file. Just wait. Okay. So now let's give a object also public access, newly uploaded, right? Otherwise it will get a access denied. Okay. Close. Let's access now again. Okay, I'm getting response. Just click the inspect now. Network. Okay. Just wait. I'll. It is taking from policies. Just wait. Behavior. Edit. View policy. Go to CloudFront. Minimum 1 minute. Wait. Don't worry. Again, click here. Network. So yeah. Okay. Now coming from cache. Yeah, coming from cache now. Okay. Now, but what I'm going to do now? Let's click this. Open now. Welcome to my static website update is there, right? I'm going to change the content. We'll see now. Updated. Welcome to my static website. Okay. So just content is updated now. We'll see. I'm uploading same content again. Okay. So content is updated. Let's go to actions now. Make public using ACL again. We'll see this time now. Okay. So immediately it is updating. Okay. Oh, shit. Let me delete this lambda function. Okay. Okay, guys. One more time I'll try. This is taking immediately. Even no invalidations. Okay. Let's try one more time. We'll see. One more R&D. CloudFront. Again, I'm removing updated content. Control S. Okay. And before that, go to distribution again. Click on this behavior. Okay, click on this behavior. Maybe my laptop cache also there. Let's change this policy. Test policy. So here also same time, no problem. Save changes. Okay, meanwhile, I'm uploading the new data. Let me check this content is what? Updated, right? But here is what? Welcome only. So Control S. I'm uploading again. Okay, close. And again enabling make public using ACL. Yeah. Okay. So this is still go to distribution and careful guys. This it will take time. Distribution always to create. You have to check this is. Before that, if you can test, it may show the wrong thing. Okay. Just wait till deploying. Wait. Yeah, done, right? So now you can access. This is updated now. Again, I need to upload back it. This is just now updated, right? Okay, let's go and access now. Close all the things. Welcome to my static website hosting. Refresh. We'll see the request coming from where? Network. Refresh. Yeah, it is coming from only caches only, not from main origin, 20 milliseconds only. But the problem is what I observe here. Let me debug that also. Okay, now till here is fine, right? The request is coming from nearby edge locations only. Okay. Yeah. So now what we should do, again, I'm going to upload new, just adding new content. Sorry, I'm not deleting. Oh, control S, I forget. Thanks. This is a problem. Let's try one more time. It will take from where? Now, okay, close. And give ACL again, make public. Okay, perfect. Let's go to access again. Clear now? See, this is new. Still it is taking only welcome. Fourth time. See, fifth time. Now request is taking from where? Yeah. See, 22 milliseconds. Clear the concept, but my end content already changed, right? My end content already changed, but still getting old content. Clear now? See, till this content will come one day, 25 milliseconds. See, my S3 inside new welcome, this one is there, but it is throwing welcome to my cloud, welcome to my static website. But inside S3 content is what? New welcome. It is not coming. Still it is showing old one. Okay? Clear guys? Any questions now? Still request coming from cache. But now, yeah, after one day it will update automatically cache. But immediately I want to change my cache. What should I do? Now immediately I should change my cache content. What should I do now? Very good. Invalidation. No, not seconds. Keep seconds always fixed. We are not supposed to change timing every time. Go for invalidations. Okay? Go to invalidation. Okay? So click on this. Invalidations. Which path you want to give invalidation? I'm giving directly this path. Index.html. It will take automatically. If you give /* means CloudFront, path is what? Static website hosting, right? Static website hosting inside whatever files are there, update immediately into where? Cache. See now. It is in progress, right? Whenever it will complete now, if I refresh, the request will come from main origin, not from cache. Now, whenever you can create invalidation, it will take the main content from the S3 and update into cache. Why? Developers already push the new code into S3, right? So it should update immediately there also. Now see, now it will change immediately. See, immediately cache clear. See, now first time it is taking more time. Now refresh again, 20 milliseconds again. Clear the concept? Invalidation, how it will work. So this process also we can automate, right? I have automated this process. See, someone can push the code. Focus guys, what I'm trying to say. Someone can push the code. Automatically cache should clear, right or not? Which process is good? Someone can push the code. Okay, let me show you here. Let me, yeah. Now cache inside, for example, okay, welcome is there, content. But developers are push, hi, welcome. Okay, until push, no problem. Take old content until push by developers. Whenever developer push the code, so immediately this should be reflect into where? Cache. Otherwise, still old code only they will access. So immediately this should be update. So immediately you can create a invalidation. So invalidations manually we have to do. Whenever code will push by developers, we have to do invalidations, right or not? Can we automate this process instead of doing manually every time? For example, developers are push the code every 2 days once. 2 days once you have to run manually every time, right? Otherwise, what will happen? Old code only they will take till whatever set point you have given time to live, right? Tell me, I need to automate this process. Raj is saying cron job. Raj, are you going to fix? Is it possible to fix cron job inside the S3? S3 is manager service. There is no any terminal to fix any cron job, right? Ajay Patel saying Lambda. Very good. See guys, so far I discussed so many Lambda projects. This is one more Lambda project. No one covers so far. You can go and check in YouTube. No one covered what is CloudFront in depth like this. Okay, you can go through this after that. You can understand what level we are learning here, the things. This is one of my project, requirement. We have implemented this 1 week. I'm explaining to you only. Okay. So why every day getting 1% job? If they follow my sessions, definitely will get a job. Every day 1% getting a job. Sometimes I'm sharing, sometimes I'm forget to share in the, things. Okay. Let's write a Lambda function. Lambda function for what? To clear the cache. To clear the cache. So in this case, my end already Lambda function is there. Let me create a one function here. Lambda function I'm creating to automate the process. If you don't know Lambda, you can stick on manual invalidation process. And okay, let me tell you invalidation process one more time. Excuse me. Now invalidation created, right? This is not possible to delete. Okay, this invalidation already done. This invalidation part is done now. If for example, if I update any again data, I'm removing new C. I'm removing new node. Control S. See, developers updated the data now. Now go to S3, upload the new content. Okay, upload. After that, give the public using ACL, make public. Every day, see, every day update and invalidation means depends on the changes. If every day no changes are there, you no need to update, right? Apply the logic. If developers are not updating code every day, then no need to run invalidations, right? Okay. Make public using ACL. Now immediately this change need to be updated. What should I do? Immediately. The water cache policy is there, it should be bypass. What should I do now? Tell me. So whenever change is there, immediately this should be accessed. Immediately create invalidation. Go to invalidation now. Again, see, this is not possible to update. This is already done. Leave it for that. Create one more invalidation. In progress. After invalidation done, immediately you are able to access this content. Which content? Welcome content. Completed, right? Now see, this will change immediately now. Clear? Old invalidation done already. See, now second invalidation also done. Again, you need to create a third invalidation if you want to do it. Clear? Yeah. So now if you can access, always get the response from the, yeah, you can see. Will it be there? But this process already done. You can't do anything this invalidation again. It's not storing. See, this is just process only. Like a log group will be updated like history. This is history. This two already done. If you want to create one more time, you can create only. This is just history. It's not going to store any file here. Invalidation is free for chargeable. Why you are thinking for charging and chargeables and all? Anyway, nothing is free. Everything is chargeable. Okay. CloudFront is, the free tier is there. After that, it should be chargeable. Concept is clear or not? First, tell me. Yeah. Now I can automate this process. See, this is the bucket, right? Can I give this file? If anyone update, automatically Lambda can run and clear the invalidation. If anyone do the changes of this file, automatically Lambda will trigger. Automatically Lambda will clear the invalidations, clear the cache. New content will be delivered. Clear or not? So let me taking a Yeah, go to my GitHub. Yes, if you're having any questions, ask immediately now. Excuse me, my throat, I'm suffering, having issue with the throat pain. So please cooperate, huh? Yeah, I should drink. I worked yesterday till 2 to prepare this concept, midnight 2 a.m. I'm busy with yesterday some other content, so that I have started this process midnight 12 to 2 to prepare this PPT and all. Anyway, go to Lambda function. I'm creating a Lambda function. The name is test. So this is Python code. I'm giving a Python. So you know the role concept, right? A role we can take from ChatGPT. It's very easy only. I'm giving a role. Whoever not, so I'll share. So Lambda, whoever new, leave this topic. Just manually you can do the invalidation part. Okay. I'm creating a Lambda function. Not only completed this concept is still 2-3 concepts are there. Very interesting. I will show now. Yeah, you can add this is into your research paper. This is interesting. Real-time concept. I'm creating a Lambda function. So what my Lambda has to do, any changes are there in the code, it should automatically clear the invalidation. So cache will clear whenever changes will come. Cache will clear whenever changes will come. Until and that cache holds the data. When the new changes will come by developer, automatically clear the cache by using Lambda function. Creating. I will show failure concept also now. Why it is taking time? Weekend effect. Let's go to Python 3.13. I'm giving role to access Lambda need to be access, admin access I have given. Yeah, quickly created. Great. Okay, so let's copy the code. What happened? Yeah, let's copy the code. Delete this. Yeah, I'll configure. Delete this. Take this code from here. I'll do the changes before. Code ChatGPT will. I took from ChatGPT only. See, concept you can understand. Huh? First, see, invalidation it is running. Lambda is going to run invalidation. Which path? /star. Okay, and if you can see, yeah. So invalidation is running. Okay, so when invalidation when it will run, let me show you now. This is the ID of the CloudFront. Let's go and take ID of the CloudFront. 2 invalidations already done, right? You can see third one also. Let me copy this and change only here. Okay, CloudFront ID, Control S, Control A, Control C. Let's go to Lambda function. This is where straightforward Lambda function. Just run which path it has to run /star into the by calling the you know the ID and run this. No external dependencies. Okay, so deploy the code. Let's run now. Yeah, runtime also need to change. I think it will complete in 3 seconds before. No need to change. Anyway. Okay. I'll change runtime also. Save this. Okay. Function. Let's run this function. Let me automate this. First, let me test this Lambda function. Okay. Deploy. No changes to deploy. Test. So first time we have to give some event, right? I'm giving test event. Save. Okay. Let's deploy. Okay. Let's run this now. See, invalidation request sent successfully. Let's go here. Invalidations. Click on this. Here. See, third one is progress automatically. So end automation process. Clear? But I should run Lambda manually, right? Instead of that, what should I do here? Lambda concept already completed. Most of the except 1030 batch. After that, you can also understand. Let me add trigger. I'm adding trigger automatically. When the Lambda will trigger, when the developer see, when the Lambda will trigger. When the Lambda will trigger, when the new code will come, right? When the new code will come. Come on. When the Lambda will trigger, when the new code will come. So what I'm going to do, my Lambda function, I'm going to add a trigger for S3 bucket. Okay. Whoever upload a object into which bucket, this bucket, which file, suffix you can write, index.html only. What happened? Let's refresh. Go to S3. Just wait. See, apply some knowledge here. My Lambda calling S3. If code is running instance inside, instance it will run. Understand? Let me delete this. Okay, let's go to now here. Which bucket? Bucket. Okay, I'm giving index.html file only. Okay, apply for index.html. I mean, anyone upload this file, anyone modify this file, automatically Lambda will trigger. Why? I'm adding into Lambda side. This is, see, anyone upload the file into S3 bucket, Lambda should trigger. I'm adding triggers here. Now in this case, I could see here my end, okay, my end, 3 only invalidations are there. Let's go and access now CloudFront distribution. Okay, access now. I'm able to access. Welcome to my static website update. You can go to inspect and click on the network. Still request is coming from 90 milliseconds, 20 milliseconds from the cache, right? Now what I'm going to do now, let's go to bucket, my bucket. I'm going to upload a file now, index.html updated one. Let's add the new file. I'm adding here new version. Control S. Let's go to here. Whenever I upload an index.html, okay, until and that, see, still request is coming from where? Until and that request is coming from old only. New not yet updated, right? If new data is updated by someone, index.html file, new code is updated. Let me save this. Automatically, it should come from the new content only, from the cache. So, done, close, here, actions, make public using ACL. You can check your content also from here directly. Now go to distributions, invalidations, refresh. Okay. Make public using ACL. Okay. Now this Lambda should run automatically. If I access, see new version is updated. Clear now? Yeah, update already. See, when the new changes will come, Lambda will take care. Until and that, your cache will take care. This is a very, very, very important topic that no one covered till now. You can check in internet. Twenty milliseconds. So whenever new changes will come, Lambda will take care. If no changes will be there, automatically all changes will be served from the cache. Clear? Any questions? So 15 minutes, please give 15 minutes time. So that to clear the concepts, 15 minutes, I will close the sessions. Created already, updated. Fourth updated already. CloudFront data, cache, any data it is live. See, CloudFront holds the data, any data. CloudFronts don't know which data it is. The job is to hold. How your laptop is hold the new, cache, right? Temporary folder, same thing. Okay. So this is the concept now. See, change is change. You can modify existing file or you can upload new file. But Lambda can track index.html file only. Whether any changes, it will run. Okay. So here some concepts are there. Hey, how to take code from ChatGPT? Give sample code to update invalidations. From S3. See, same code I'm using. Clear na guys? Yeah, this is Lambda code only. Copied and ran now. Just understand, here some changes you need to take care. Distribution ID we have to give, our CloudFront distribution ID. That's it. Anyway, code is here. You don't worry. Let's go to CloudFront. Let me create a file. Parmeshwar is saying not able to understand. I'm from 1030 batch, not at cover Lambda. That's what I said. Leave about Lambda, you can run manually. This is for okay. Clear na guys? Okay, now let me discuss few concepts here quickly. No, not at covered as a Patel. 1030 batch not at covered Lambda function. New batch, right? So except Lambda, everything is covered. So I'm going to start Lambda after 2 days. Telegram link, anyone please share, yeah. Okay, guys, in security, we have a CloudFront, okay, geographic restrictions. If you click on this, edit, you can block any region if you want. For example, these are the list of countries. If I add India, in the India, if I add block country, for example, if I add as a block India, save changes. Now you can access. Yeah, still I'm getting response. Why? Anyone? Very good. Cache, right or not? Cache, what should I do now? What should I do now? Yeah, correct, correct, correct. Very good, very good. So let's go to run lambda function or do changes into S3, right or not? Let me run lambda function. I'm not doing manually. Okay, this time I'm running manually for my 10:30 batch. For them, I'm creating manually one more time. I'm not using lambda now. My favorite 10:30 batch. Huh? No, no, all are my favorite only. Okay, now cache will clear. The intention is cache will clear. Okay, now you can access. Now request go to main origin. Now request is taken from any country, but now request when the cache will clear, request should go to again main origin. But main origin is blocked, right? Clear the concept now? Perfect. Go to security. Again, I'm going to unblock this. Save changes. Okay, allow list. Oh, no restrictions. Save changes. Okay. Now maybe it will throw error. Huh? See? Always no error. Why? Cache. Request is not taking from main origin. If it will take, run lambda function. Test. See, invalidation request is done. Go to invalidations. See, progressing. Completed, right? Now refresh. Clear. Clear the concept. Yes. Small example now. At the time of session, join 250 members. Now 187. From where jobs will come, guys? You tell me. From where jobs will come? Without consistency, without patience. This is okay. Frankly speaking, this is free service only, right? I'm doing now. Even Sunday. I can take rest, right? Sunday. Even Saturday night also I spend 2 a.m. midnight 2 a.m. to do this. That's what, guys. See, the problem is these students will go and say to everyone, DevOps is difficult. They cannot say I don't have consistency. That's what job not get. No one can say like that. Patience is required. Consistency is required. If both are not there, na, from where jobs will come? Huh? That's what the problem is. Everything required instantly. No, nothing will come. Okay. Anyway, I think. Yeah, I know, Raj. Yeah, it's not specific information. Everything will store. Whatever file you are giving, that will be stored. In the source, whatever content is there, it will store. Clear the concept now? Okay. So now let me show you the concept now. Final concept. Origin groups. This is little important, guys. Let's go to origin group. So my and two buckets are there. Okay, now the concept is failover. failover concept. My end two buckets are there. This is one bucket. This is one bucket. If this bucket will fail, request serve from this bucket across region replication. Okay. So like load balancer, if cloud route 53, one region may fail, request has to serve different region, right? Same concept is there in CloudFront also. But route 53 not offers edge location concept. That's what we are using CloudFront for front end. Okay. That's what the name itself, CloudFront, front end. So in this bucket and our project is there. Guys, we have already discussed 3-tier project, right? So the 3-tier project we discuss all enter process and server, right? So we have implemented on bucket also. Front end is inside the bucket, back end is server, database is MySQL. So we have already implemented this project and bucket. Nothing is the front end files you can upload into S3 bucket. I will share the document. Just 5 instructions are there. You can follow the 5 instructions. Instead of creating a server for front end, you can take S3 bucket, upload all the files here. Now this bucket work like a front end. We have already done that process. Okay. See, I have already stored all the kind information. Okay. So this is the bucket target, different bucket. This is my source bucket. If this bucket fail, request should go to this bucket. Okay. Let's go to the concept distributions. So this concept, go to origins, create an origin group. So select here your origin, give the origin name. I'm giving here OG. Huh? Yeah, no problem. You can create different. So I'm creating OG. So this origin group, if this fail, so bad gateway, forbidden, this will come, this OG group will work now. Okay. I'm creating origin group by giving this all the failure criteria. Create origin group. Okay. So primary I have added as a this one. I'm going to add secondary also now. So DevOps dev test is one. Okay. Let's go and create origin group, origins. one origin is there, right? I'm creating for different origin also. So my different origin is this one. Second bucket origin also I'm creating. Yeah, creating origin. Now two origins are there, two buckets. Okay, let's create an origin group now. So this origin group, I'm taking first is primary and next is secondary. Okay, so primary is current bucket, secondary is different bucket. So I'm giving here OG. Okay, this is not my account. Huh? I'm taking from student account. I'm not created this name. Huh? Just I'm saying. Create origin group. Okay, so go to behavior now. Click the behavior. Go to edit now. Now change the now change here. Give OG here. So my origin is origin group I have created, right? Origin group I have given primary is one bucket, secondary is one bucket. Now I have selected origin group. Now same policy. Save changes. Okay, that means what I did now, I'll explain here. This is final concept. 10 minutes I will complete. Yeah, firewall also. So here, instead of taking one, I'm taking two buckets. Cross region replication also. Okay. Yeah. Second bucket should be, you can create a replica. Okay. Yeah. So if primary fails, request will go from secondary. So I have selected two buckets, primary, secondary. Okay. Let's go and access now. So request is coming from where, guys? Primary bucket or secondary bucket? Request is coming from where? Primary bucket, right? So in this case, let's go to the primary bucket, delete this object. Okay, deleted now. Now refresh. Still request coming, right? Why? Why request is coming? Cache. Very good. Now let's go and what should I do now? Create a run invalidation. Lambda or manual process. Lambda or manual process. So I'm running manual process this time. Completed, right? So now you can refresh. See, request is going to different one, right? At least request is going to different one now. See, our project now. So the backend RDS is configured means you are able to see here full stack project, the background, 2-3 books. Clear the concept, global distribution. If primary fails, how the request will go to secondary? Yes, like failure routing. So final concept, just a 2 minutes concept. Yeah, you can do it. If you want to do anything, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, you know the process right now. Just go ahead. You can go through the process, anything, whatever you want. The final concept, guys. Yeah, here I'm using one policy, firewall, WAF. WAF will coming, WAF will coming. So let's go to AWS WAF now. So this is security service for we can use mostly for CloudFront. So we are using before. So here we can control some IPs. We can add some block list of IPs. We can add some rules and all here. Okay. So let's go to here, your CloudFront distribution, security. So my WAF, let's edit. Before, while creating time, I have deselected this. Now I'm going to select now. Whenever I select this, automatically, see, 10 million request. Automatically, yeah, like security group. Automatically WAF will create here. Okay. Here you can see, click on the web ACLs. Here you can select a CloudFront distribution, not region. You are able to see this is your ACL, web ACL. Okay. So now these are the IP sets right here. So for example, if you create any IP set here, test, you can add some IP here, for example, 192.68.1.2. So you should add 32 also here. So I'm adding IP set here. So now go to your ACLs, click on your ACL. So here rules are there, right? Click on the rules, add rule, custom rule, not managed rule. Here you can select your IP sets. My IP set is I have given test. So you can give something test name or whatever. Block, add rule. So now that IP is unable to access your, your application, this application. So by using WAF, we can control some block IPs, allow IPs, and all. One more time, huh? Okay. So first you can create a web ACLs, IP sets. You can give the list of IP sets here. Okay. And do one thing, you can share your friend IP something, so you can test it. It will work like that. Okay. But again, you need to clear the cache. After that only it will work. Okay. After that, after creating a one IP, go to WebACL, click on WebACL, rules, add a custom rule, own rule, sorry. So here, IP sets, you can select your IP and block or allow. You can give count also. You can see if you give count, you are able to filter, you are able to see how many requests are coming from IP also. Clear na guys? This is story of CloudFront. Sorry, it's been, I think, closely 2.5 hour session. Thanks for your patience. This is very, very, very important, guys. One more time, I'm saying that no one, you can go and check in YouTube's history. No one. Whatever sessions I'm taking, whatever sessions I took so far, no one covered those topics. So please cover. Don't expect again these stories again, sir. Can you cover this topic into again regular class? This is regular class only. Whoever not join, unlucky fellows, I can say that. Simply I can say unlucky fellows. Entry questions these are. Guys, one request. Okay. So I hope everyone is there in this group, right? 175 members I'm able to see. Everyone is there in this group, right? Yeah. So what you need to do, so Vardhan already shared, so review. So if you want to recommend my training to upcoming students don't know, right, guys? Students that don't know, the basically they can check reviews and join the sessions, okay? But I'm not, so far I haven't asked anyone give a review, but from today onwards, I'm going to ask the reviews. The reason, management also, okay, ask me to take a reviews from students. So the reason by, if see Hyderabad, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, different countries, they can simply open the NareshIT and check the reviews and join simply. So that's what everyone. So if you like this session, just a 10 minutes give your time. Okay, follow these sessions. Just a 10 minutes. Click on this link first. See what Vardhan is saying. These are two links actually. Just follow what I'm saying. Huh? Two links. First link, if you can click, it will take you. So here, give a star whatever you want to give, no problem. But here, just explain something what you like, multi-cloud, and don't give my name. Don't forget my name, Veera, multi-cloud, DevOps. Use this key term always. So this will update into my bucket list. This is after that, copy this review, paste it somewhere and post it. Okay, multi-cloud DevOps. You can give multi-cloud DevOps. Okay, after that, copy and post it. Why I'm saying copy? One more link is there. Click on this. Again, I'm showing you here. Second link this is. Click on this. Okay. Yeah, it will take you this page. See this page. Write a review. Again, give whatever star you want to give, and again paste it. Whatever you already given the second review. So today I'm free. Don't forget to mention your name and your batch so that I will read every review today. Every review I will read. I'll take mentor help and read your reviews. Okay, clear guys, how to give? Still, questions means I will explain again how to give a review. Let me share this link to all. Guys, please, just 10 minutes only, right? Yeah. So this is Telegram group link. If anyone had to join, you can join. Okay. So clear? So first click on this link. It will automatically take you into this review session and give a star and type something, give something, take ChatGPT help. No problem. Give a good review or bad review on my Veera sir. So ChatGPT will give and paste it here and copy that link. For example, if you give something, Control C and post it. After that, second link is also there, right? Click on this link. Okay, it will take you this page and write a review. Paste it, whatever review you have given, and give a star. Please do needfully for this 10 minutes. I'm going to check. I know you are busy, but just 10 minutes. Are you clear my session, guys? I will share everything. I will share everything. The new batch is going to start in next week. I'm going to cover everything, guys. Multi-cloud, AWS, Azure, GCP, DevOps. 5 months course. Everything will cover in that. Okay, you are able to deploy Python application, Node.js application, Java application in 3-tier full stack. Kubernetes 25 days, Terraform 20 days. We will focus more important areas. Okay. Thank you so much for your patience. Please do it immediately today itself so that we can check. Please, Vardhan and Naveen, please follow up this to everyone. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.